स्वागत है दोस्तों। आज की कहानी सिर्फ आपका मनोरंजन ही नहीं करेगी, बल्कि इस कहानी के जरिए आप आसानी से इंग्लिश भी सीख पाएंगे। आज की कहानी एक ऐसे घमंडी लड़के की है जो हमेशा दूसरों को नीचा दिखाता था, लेकिन एक दिन वक्त ने उसे ऐसा सबक सिखाया जिसके बारे में उसने कभी सोचा भी नहीं था। तो कहानी को आखिर तक जरूर देखिए, क्योंकि आज की कहानी आपको इंग्लिश के साथ एक जरूरी जीवन का सबक भी सिखाएगी। Arrogant people always pay the price. Ryan was the most popular boy in college. Rich clothes, expensive phone, stylish bike. He had everything. But along with money, Ryan also had something ugly inside him. Arrogance. He believed he was better than everyone else. Whenever a poor student answered wrong in class, Ryan laughed loudly. People like you should stop dreaming big, he often said. Many students hated his attitude. But nobody had the courage to speak against him. One day, a new student joined the college. His name was Ethan. Simple clothes. Quiet nature. Old backpack. The moment Ryan saw him, he smirked. Looks like someone came directly from a village, he joked. The class laughed. But Ethan stayed silent. Days passed. Ryan kept insulting him again and again. Sometimes for his clothes. Sometimes for his English. Sometimes just for fun. But Ethan never replied. One afternoon, the professor announced a national robotics competition. The winning team will receive a huge scholarship, he said. Ryan immediately stood up proudly. Sir, I'll win this easily. Everyone clapped. Ryan formed a team with the most popular students. Meanwhile, Ethan quietly made his own small team. Ryan laughed again. You? Competition? First learn how to talk confidently. Still, Ethan said nothing. Weeks passed. Ryan wasted most of his time showing off on social media instead of working seriously. He believed victory was already his. But Ethan and his team worked day and night. They failed many times. Their robot stopped working again and again. Still, they never gave up. Finally, competition day arrived. Big judges. Huge crowd. Cameras everywhere. Ryan entered confidently. But when his team presented the robot, something went wrong. The machine suddenly stopped moving. Ryan panicked. He shouted at his teammates angrily. You idiots ruined everything. The judges looked disappointed. Now it was Ethan's turn. The hall became silent. Ethan took a deep breath and started his presentation calmly. His robot worked perfectly. It completed every task smoothly. The audience stood up and clapped loudly. Even the judges were impressed. A few minutes later, the winner was announced. First prize goes to Ethan and his team. The entire hall exploded with applause. Ryan stood frozen. For the first time in his life, he felt small. After the event ended, Ryan saw Ethan outside the hall. Ethan was holding the trophy, but there was no arrogance on his face. Ryan walked toward him slowly. I insulted you so many times. Why didn't you ever fight back? Ethan smiled softly. My father always says, arrogant people defeat themselves. Ryan lowered his head in shame. Then Ethan added, real success makes people humble, not proud. Those words hit Ryan deeply. That day, Ryan understood something important. Money can impress people for a moment, but humility earns respect forever. And arrogance? It always pays the price in the end.